So what I want to call out today is the Perma-Column 8500, PC 8500. This column can carry a ton of load. It accepts a 5-ply 2x8 nail lam column to this bracket on 10,000 PSI concrete, ICC certified. This is the column you need when you have a lot of load on your building. Perma-Column offers a wide variety of sizes to meet the needs of your post frame building application. We offer a 4x6, a 6x6, a Perma-Column that fits a 3-ply 2x6, 4-ply 2x6, and then as well in the 2x8 series, we have a 3-ply, 4-ply, and 5-ply 2x8 option. These Perma-Column sizes are also available in glue lam as well as the standard nail lam. Build better, build stronger, build to last.